How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to fix the payment error on PS5 or PlayStation Network. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So as we all know, and as it goes without saying, Sony or PlayStation's networks are quite solid and secure. So whenever you guys encounter an issue like adding a payment method and the server rejecting it, it's usually to do with your network address type or NAT. And to check this, you guys can actually ask your internet service provider about your network details and a couple of ways on how they could fix it on their end. Now, if they say that they can't do anything on their end, then it's our time to step in. Now, there are a couple things that you guys can try, but before we get to that, let's talk about some potential culprits to the problem. So, some advice that I can give you guys is basically, now this is pretty straightforward, but sometimes double checking can't hurt. Make sure that your details are all correct. You've entered them in the corresponding and correct boxes, and there aren't any missed details or typos when you enter your address, your card details, and whatnot, and you should be good to go. Now, a couple of things. Now, some things that you guys can also try is checking the PlayStation Network for server issues. So something like opening your PS5 and doing a quick network test, and it's quite simple to do so. Just open settings um, and run a quick network test to see if your connection is solid or not. Or alternatively, you guys can also check PlayStation's website, like so. This one here, so you know if their servers are up and running. So it seems that account management is good. The store is good too. So that means that you shouldn't have any problems with entering your payment methods. And if that still doesn't work, the last thing that you guys can try is using a VPN. Now, using a VPN would essentially refresh your connection and sometimes give you a better link up with PSN. So this would usually lift some network restrictions that are set by your internet service provider. So let's say that your ISP by default has set the subscriptions and connections to medium security for NAT type. So this may actually cause some problems, even for strict ones especially. Now, if you use a VPN, this will actually turn your network into an open NAT type, or I should say into an open NAT. And by doing so, you'll be able to access the store no problem and enter your new payment methods as well as buy some games. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.